So this is Robin Walters from TechCrunch. I'm at the Mobile 2.0 conference in Europe in Barcelona. I'm here with Ilja. He's the founder and CEO of GetJar, which is a platform agnostic application platform. So Ilja, can you share a little bit about yourself and GetJar?
Yes, absolutely. Well, GetJar, as many of you may know, is world's largest independent open app store. Currently, we're hosting 45,000 unique applications. We have a community of 200,000 registered developers, of which probably 10,000 are professional teams or individuals. We're serving 36 million downloads a month, and that makes us quite a big app store here. One differentiating factor from all the other app stores is really being cross-platform, cross-device. We support all technologies, we support all devices, all platforms, be it Symbian, Java, Windows Mobile, or BlackBerry, or Flashlight, or the iPhone. We support them all. So we have three simple things we promise to developers. One is tools, state-of-the-art tools to create your application and to run your mobile application business. And the tools range from stats, analytics, to beta testing, to distribution. The second is distribution at a scale. This is something which no other app store can match. Our top developers have 15 to 20 million downloads for applications.
And what are the most popular downloads?
Our absolute leader is Opera Mini. We've done to date more than 15 million downloads to Opera Mini just from our site alone.
Wow.
So think of it, 15 million downloads, just one app store, just one application. That's pretty big scale. And we have also a number of apps who have surpassed the 10 million bar. So eBuddy, Nimbus, Make33, all of them surpassed 10 million downloads. So distribution at a scale, this is our second promise to developer. And of course, we're starting to do a lot of monetization tools and related technologies. So in-application advertising, something we're already piloting with some developers and going to release pretty soon. And mobile billing is another challenging technology which we're looking to introduce in the next several months.
Okay. So you have a pretty good overview of all the different app platforms and technologies out there. If you were a mobile developer yourself and you would have to choose which platform to develop for because of limited resources, so you have to select just one. Which one would you choose and why?
There is no one single right answer for a developer because it depends on your business model, it depends on your application, it depends on you as a developer, on your market, if you will. So, for example, if you're developing a business application for American market, your natural choice may be the iPhone or the BlackBerry. If your business model is a messaging functionality which you want to distribute and give to people globally, then your choice has to be cross-platform. You have to support Java, you have to support iPhone and BlackBerry and Windows Mobile. So there's no single answer. It depends.
Okay. So you're in a pretty good position to judge the way that all the vendors and all the mobile platform creators are launching their own app stores right now. So we started with Apple with the iPhone. We've now seen Windows Mobile Marketplace, Android Market, obviously the Nokia Ovi Store recently launched.
Right.
Do you see this as a good evolution and why?
Well, to start with, if you map our download curve on the timeline, at the moment Apple launched their App Store, our growth increased twice in slow. So although we did not support iPhone at the time, but the consumer started to download applications for other platforms twice as frequently.
Right, and also they made the consumer used to getting to a centralized place to get applications.
Yes, you could say that. So in general, of course, there are positive things and there are negative things for us as a company because of all this hype around the app stores and that.
What are the negative things?
Huh?
What are the negative things?
Well, the biggest negative thing is that if 2 years ago GetJar was the only kid in the garden and we enjoyed all the attention, so we were the only meaningful place for applications. Today, with marketing resources that Nokia, Ovi or BlackBerry has got, we started to see some competition, so that is a negative thing. Apparently that the world is going fragmented and the variety of app stores inevitably will suck some of the traffic from us. That's a negative thing. And the positive thing, which have surpassed the negative by far to date, is that Apple App Store and all these app stores validated applications, mobile applications, both for the industry and for the consumer. So our download growth is faster than it was ever before, even despite all these other app stores being launched. And the other thing is, I very strongly believe that of all the app stores being launched today, only very few will survive. So my estimation is that in a couple of years, there will be only 3 to 5 app stores that matter.
Really?
Yes.
Do you think the open platforms have a chance, like Android Market, for example?
I would say they have much bigger chances. And there are many reasons for that. For example, when we analyzed how GetJar grew, what was the source of growth, because apparently we never invested into marketing, into advertising, into consumer PR. All of 36 million downloads that we enjoy to date have grown virally, word of mouth, if you will. Now, when we analyzed the mechanics of the viral distribution, how we call it, we discovered a very interesting fact that the awareness is being built virally, right? A typical case would be when somebody downloads an application and goes to his classroom the next day and shows the application to his peers, and his peers are looking and downloading that application and start using it. So that's a very typical case how our user base has grown.
Right.
Now, as our thesis is, if you are a boutique store, if you support one platform, basically viral distribution does not work for you or has very limited working for you. So if you refer a friend to an application, your friend doesn't have the same model as you have, your friend cannot basically enjoy the same application. So
right. Okay. Just to wrap up, what mobile phone do you use, and what's your favorite application?
Okay, currently I'm more using 2 phones, one HTC HD on Windows Mobile, and another is BlackBerry Bold.
Okay.
And favorite application is.
So you don't have an iPhone?
No.
Not even an Android powered phone?
No. I use Windows Mobile and the BlackBerry.
Wow.
And my favorite application is Google Maps.
Google Maps?
Yes, it is. It's truly very useful application.
Right. The final question: how is GetJar doing as a business yourself? Are you profitable? Did you ever raise funding, or just a bootstrap business?
We had just one round of funding 2 years ago. We're backed by world's famous first Axel partners.
Right.
They are behind Facebook, Real Networks, AdMob, and other fairly known brands. And we've been doing quite well to date. So we've been cash positive through this year until we launched the American office. And we're going into slight negative with the launch of the office, because
right. So you expect to be cash flow positive again at the end of the year, or next year?
Well, it's very difficult to predict what's going to happen, but we've been successful to date, and we're looking to grow, and the landscape looks really good right now with the rise of the app stores and the apps, and we really hope that by next year we'll be progressing quite a lot.
Right. Thank you very much, Ilja.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Bye.